Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make KakaoTalk emoticons. So guys, let's continue into your KakaoTalk app. Now just tap on the three dots icon in the right side of corner and tap on emoticons. Now here you will get lot of emoticons. You can select new emoticons, popular emoticons or couple categories emoticons. So I'm going to use emoticons from new. And now here you will see all the emoticons and you can tap on the purchase to purchase the emoticons that you want from here. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can make KakaoTalk emoticons very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.